What's up, guys? Hey, I get a lot of calls about Pulsar loaders not working correctly, and I'm a very big fan of the Pulsars, okay? We stock and sell a lot of the half-inch. Now, a lot of guys will have a hose that comes straight out with a barb, and they have a problem with the hoses blowing off, or after time leaks, or the unloader just doesn't function the way it should be. They need a little bit of back pressure, okay? We sell this kit. I mean, it doesn't look any nicer than this. I mean, look at this here. We got a professional crimp. We got the adapter here. So if you want to take your unloader off, you're not taking any tape off or anything. The kit comes with this piece here. This here, this really nice crimped end. Comes with 10 foot of hose, half-inch. Okay, I mean, you're rebuilding your rigs right now, this is the way to go. You'll never have to worry about this. All the pressure of the exhaust of the water dumping off in your tank, this little 90 takes a beating. And then at the tank, we have not a cheap one, but a banjo bulkhead with a brass half-inch push connector. So all you have to do is, whether you want to put it in this way or this way, it comes with the really good banjo bulkhead, not a cheap one. All right, 10 foot of hose, and this really nice connector. Doesn't get any better than this. All right, guys, it's on the website. Also, if you check in the description, there'll be a link right there for these. All right, I believe they're $79.95 plus shipping, but you know, it's one of those things that it'll come to bite you if you don't have a setup right. All right, guys. Get it now before the season starts and keep on spraying.